we from the placement office help them navigate this journey conveniently. For example, when students join the program, we take them through a series of leadership talks with the business leaders and HR leaders to help them understand what are the current industry practices, what are the business scenario going around, what is the company specific requirement in terms of their business. When it comes to hiring, how can they prepare themselves for those specific organizations. Beyond these leadership talks, students are supposed to participate in the number of live projects in each term. So placement office helps source quality live projects for all the students so that beyond the classroom academics, students have relevant industry specific learning as well, and they are able to apply those fundamental concepts into the real life scenario as well. Besides the live projects, we have business case study competitions as well, which are now available in good numbers by all the organizations. So organizations make these competitions to use and to evaluate the talent pool in particular these schools pan-India. So be it L'Oreal, be it the Unilever, we have Reliance, we have KPMG. Name the companies now. They are having their competitions to assess the students pan-India and across specific business schools as well. So organizations find our students not only well prepared when they come to campus for evaluation, they also find our students doing fairly well when they are on the job. So many of the organizations that participated in our campus looking at the performance of our alumni. So even if our student joined the organization through an off-campus route or through lateral, the entry route, looking at the performance of those specific students, they connect with IMT Ghaziabad and try to source or evaluate, the fresh recruits from our campus. So the certain traits like the preparedness I told you, and their ability to relate to the business and the real life scenario, and their attitude at the job, their eagerness to sustain, and the desire to excel in the task side. That these are some of the qualities that our recruiters have, help them to come back to the campus again and again. There are various parameters that organizations look at while shortlisting candidates for the jobs available to them, both at the summer internship and the final placement level. These range from academic basic requirements, wherein the marks or the academic background, the kind of graduation the candidate comes with, plays its role, and also sometimes the prior experience, the kind of experience that is required for that specific job which is available with the organization plays important. For example, someone coming from the IT specific experience and that too specific technology may be requiring the skills of WR or advanced Excel, dashboarding, the skills required in data science. So the organizations do mention these skill set requirements and the eligibility criteria to us, and that we help make that we inform to the students to apply for those jobs accordingly, and the profiles are shared with the organizations in that manner. So there is a tagline I saw in the IMT that once in IMT and always in IMT, and placement office looks into the similar way to support the students who pursue PGDM program from us, not only during the campus placement once they pass out, and as and when. So there are a lot of lateral job opportunities our recruiters share with us. So once you become an alum, these job opportunities are always available to the students who are esteemed alumni of IMT Ghaziabad. So sometimes lateral career shifts happen. So those who are keen to make that move, so these job opportunities would always be available to those alums.